it is time for our next Nadine West subscription. I know I talked a big game about potentially canceling it. I gave them another month. We'll see if I ever cancel it. I don't know. I've been unhappy. I probably should cancel. But anyways, before I get distracted with further things, let's just dive on in. So I did go ahead and pre-open the lid of the bag. You might be able to hear my child running around. Yes, she has made an appearance. Here's bundle 1. Looks like there's another bundle. For those of you who aren't aware, Nadine West is a clothing subscription service. They'll send you at least 5 items, but sometimes they send more. I've gotten as many as I want to say either 11 or 12 before. You don't really you kind of fill out a style survey, but not really. I don't take it very seriously. I don't think they do either, because I do get all sorts of different types of clothing. But let's go ahead and dive on in. So this first item is the top. Yes, I can say it's a top. That's kind of a fun print. I'm digging it. I don't hate it. We'll have to see how that fits. The next item are jean leggings. Now, I do like the jean leggings they've sent to me historically, but the last ones they sent, I only got like 3 wears out of them for like the little, fun accessories either started falling off or I started getting holes in them. So we'll see. I'll go ahead and try these on. They're very similar to the ones they've sent in the past, but I do like these. These are pretty cute. For our next bundle, let's open up this bad boy. Looks like our next item is, I'm gonna say it's a top, that's my guess. It's a nice floral print. Oh, it looks almost like a tunic. Just a plain floral tunic. It's a little sheer, just like most things from Nadine West tend to be, so I would definitely have to layer this with something. But this is a fun springy top. This could be really cute. Oh, it looks like he did get some jewelry, and it does look like I got more than 5 items. Let's go ahead and open up the jewelry. So the first thing for the jewelry is a set of earrings. They are diamond shaped. They're kind of fun. They're a little too plain for me though, so I most likely probably won't end up keeping those. It looks like I also received a bracelet that has a feather on it, which might actually be kind of fun. I do like jewelry that has feathers on it. See that? Let's see. I can slip this bad boy out. Oh, that's kind of cute. The beads do feel a little cheap to me, but I do like that bracelet. I'm not gonna lie. If nothing works out, I might at least keep the bracelet. I will say sometimes my Nadine West subscription tends to be more of a jewelry subscription, because I do feel like I keep more of the jewelry than I keep the clothes. Let's see, and it looks like our last item is a necklace. This isn't our last item. This is our last jewelry item. We have one more item after this. Oh, so this is, I like this. Can I wear this with this? Oh, this is cute. I don't know if you can. It is really cute. I might have to think about this. Let's see. Anyways, for the actual last item, unless there's no one sneaking in there, is this random piece of tissue. Oh, it's a top. It's a little tunicky as well. It's black, but there is a button detail down here. It's kind of fun. Looks like it's gonna be flowy. Okay, I'm excited. So let's go ahead and try these bad boys on. So I'll go ahead and start off talking about this top. I am actually in love with this top. I do feel like I almost could use a smaller size, but at the same time, it's probably perfect just as it is. Comment if you saw my cat just sprinting crazily across the bedroom over there. Anyways, so I do really like this top. I think it's really flattering. I really like the color, and I feel like these types of sleeves are in right now, so that's pretty exciting. So I think I'll probably end up keeping this top. We'll see how much it ends up being. I haven't looked at prices yet. I also paired it with the leggings, and I am wearing a cami underneath. But there is a kind of zipper detail right here, which you can zip or unzip, which I think might be helpful words if I was maybe a little bit curvier right here, because it would help cinch it in. These leggings are actually a little loose. And I don't know, like I said, I'm a little hesitant just because the last pair of jean leggings they sent my way fell apart pretty fast, but I also like them, so we'll have to see about these. Again, comment if you just heard my child talking to me. Meow. That was beautiful, darling. Anyways, let's try on the next top. So this is the floral tunic-like top. I very much enjoy this top as well. It is also very flattering. Something that I didn't point out is there was actually a button detail I originally missed when I was doing the unboxing. So that's kind of cool. So this top and the last top that I'll try on here in a minute actually both have kind of button details right here. So it'll be interesting to see if they actually just send me two different versions of the same top. But I do really like this. I don't like this quite as much as the last top I tried on, but I might end up keeping this. I'm pretty happy with it. Okay, so this is the last top. I don't think they're exactly the same shirt. The button detail here is very similar, but it is just different enough and the feel's a little bit different. I don't think this one is as flattering as the other kind of tunic-like top. And while I really enjoy the all black aspect of it, I do have a lot of just plain black tops versus I like the floral one a little bit more for actually like going out and doing things versus this would be more like something I might wear around the house. And I already have enough of that kind of thing. But otherwise, this was the last bit of the try on. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in knowing what I'm keeping, just comment down below. I'll let you know. Otherwise, yeah, thanks for watching.